welcome to Digital Delo Designs. I'm going to show you how you can access your digital files through your Etsy account. We are going to open a GoodNotes file together. In the upper right hand corner of the web page, you are going to see a person icon that's located to the left of the shopping cart icon. Select the drop down box and click on Purchases and Reviews. It's going to open up your purchase page to show everything that you have purchased on Etsy. When you look to the right of the page, you're going to see where it says delivered, and you have three options. We're going to select the very first button that says download files. This page shows every file that can be digitally downloaded. Select the download button. In some cases, when a file is too big to be listed on the Etsy store, a PDF with a link will open up instead. This link that I have created will open up to a secured Google Drive. For this specific purchase, there are three options. There is a PNG file, JPEG, and GoodNotes. So we're going to open the GoodNotes by selecting the three vertical dot option and select download. It's going to ask if you want to download, and for me, in the upper right hand corner, I'm able to see what I've recently downloaded by selecting the arrow icon. I'm going to select the file. Next, I'm going to click on the share button, and as you can see, for me, the GoodNotes icon automatically opens. I'm going to select it, and here you can change your location and then import as a new document. And now you have successfully downloaded a digital file. Your second option is to open your GoodNotes app directly. Once it's open, click on the new document button, and at the bottom, select import. Select the folder that the GoodNotes file was saved to. Select the open button, and it will automatically import the file for you. Your third option is to open your files folder. And from here, you can go directly to the folder where you know the file was saved to, or you can search for it in the search box. So we're going to click on it, and in the upper right hand corner, we're going to select the share button, and we can click on the GoodNotes icon, or at the bottom there's an option that says open in GoodNotes. From here, we're going to import as new document, and it will download it for you. This demonstration was to show how to open a GoodNotes file only. There's a different way to open a PDF or any other file, so please check out those videos on my channel as well.